Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flying professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. And it's good you made it back. Good for you.
One of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye.
Right around this with my friends, Walt from aboard the Millennium Falcon. Don't blow up.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
Right this way, recruits, come on in.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Repair that. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. Pilot on the right, move back on the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly downward. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Clear? Oh, good, clear. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There it is, after that plane. There you go. Fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, guys, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up ship. Well, gravity coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Let's get another container of coaxium.
Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Oh boy. Get behind the train.
There, you gotta go right.
Pilots, into the center.
There, go right. Go to the
Do you
train
see those
there.
big white rings?
There you go. There you go.
Gunners, shoot the train. Cargo ready. Repeat shooting. I think I will let you tell the rules. Hold that. Things are getting... We've got to get out of here.
There you go. Good job, Claire.
Thanks.
There you go, Claire. Nice.
Distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Left pilot, hit the footsteps. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Julie will fire retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You will heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, you've got minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon. Is, hey, not bad. Whoa! Looks like you're ready to unload.
This thing's seen better days. Better fix all